What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And we have a 05 Corolla. About to do a transmission and filter kit on this. Does have a drain plug right here, 14 millimeters, and then 10 millimeters all the way around the perimeter. It's probably going to be a quick video. I'll set y'all up a little bit further away. Letting it drain right now. It's cleaning off the drain plug. That's it right there. Like I said, 14. While we're letting that drain, we're going to go ahead and start taking some of these off. Also, this car is hot, so they just got back from driving it. So left 3 of them on there. One's over here in the corner, so a little bit of a tight spot. See if I can get it. Oh, yeah. Drained enough for right now. I knew it was going to kick down on me. Keep your hand on the pan. She is a little warm. Here is your pan. Should have 2 magnets in it. 1, 2. Here is your filter. Should have 1, 2, 3, 10 millimeters. 1 on the back, 2 on the front. There is a cork gasket in between here. It's stuck to the filter. When you pull it off, fluid is going to run out of the valve body and pump and come down. And we'll clean off this magnet. No chunks on it, just standard debris. Yeah, so don't look too bad. We're going to clean that out. Wipe my hand off. And here's your gasket. Oh, that peeled off nicely. That was satisfying. I'm going to clean this out right here with some brake cleaner. Wipe it down. Do have a new gasket somewhere. I left it outside, but this is fluid we're going to use. Call Toyota. They do not make fluid for this car anymore. That's what they told us. Don't know. I'll get you the part numbers. Let me go ahead and get cleaning this off real quick. When I get it clean, I'll bring y'all back, show you part numbers and all that good stuff. Here are your part numbers. 35330-12040. These are from Toyota. And then here's your gasket, 8, what is that, a 3? It's like 35168-12060. And just so you know, the back bolt is longer on the filter. Alright, got the filter and the gasket on there. I'm just going to go around and tighten these. Alright. All I did was went around them and just tighten them until I saw the gasket just kind of squish in a little bit and kind of push out just a hair. And you should be good on that. I know the torque spec on these is like 9 foot-pounds or something like that. All right. This out of the way. Let's come down with it. Down periscope. This one does have a dipstick. It calls for 3.2 quarts when you drain and fill this with a filter. It may take a little more, may take a little less. Just go on what your car is reading. I'm gonna put about 2.5 in here, crank it up, and let it cycle through, go through the gears, all that good stuff. Then you'll check it again just to make sure that it is full. But I'll set y'all up. We have Max Life ATF. I'm just going to pour it slow because it is a small dipstick tube, and transmissions tend to overflow very easy. Now we're going to crank her up. Shift it through all the gears, let it sit there for a few seconds, and then let it run for a few minutes also, and then I will check it again. I want to let it come up to temperature just a little bit. But here is your dipstick. The hot mark is up here, cold mark is down on the bottom. I know y'all couldn't see that, but just wanted to let y'all know that that was there. I know I'm going to need some more, but just want to check it real quick. Oh yeah, even on the cold mark it still needs about a half a quart. Set running temperature now. Yeah, it still needs a little bit more. So this one right here is probably going to take the full gallon. So I did put about another half a quart in there, but it didn't bring it up enough. wheel, y'all can see that there's right there. About right there. We are good to go. So mine did take the full gallon. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for doing this. Pretty simple job. Like this, probably about 10 millimeters and 3 on the filter. Drain it, fill it. Just check it when it's hot. Make sure you're good to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And do have all the Patreon and all that stuff, shirt tap stickers like I always do. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers and members. And y'all remember, short but slight. Y'all have a great day.